guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's Boxycharm, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so the first thing in the box is our little Boxycharm newsletter that says, welcome home. This month, come out of hibernation to embrace a dreamy new world filled with heavenly makeup, planet positive faves, and vitamin-powered skincare to bring out your inner glow. And on the inside, it has some tips and tricks, some save the dates, as well as tells a little bit about some of the products that you could receive inside your box. This month, the Boxycharm box is embracing all things natural to show Mother Earth just how much we love her. Up here, it shows 3 ways that you can show Mother Earth that you love her. Opt for plant-based formulas, recycle your empties the right way, and channel your inner Mother Earth. The first product inside this month's Boxycharm box is the Koa Life Detox Face Mask. This is going to clear your complexion and detoxify the skin. This is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, and is formulated with no parabens, no sulfates, and no mineral oils. So this product has oat, charcoal, and bentonite clay. It's going to minimize blemishes, decongest the skin, absorb dirt and excess oil, as well as hydrate and soothe the skin. Next, we have the Slushy Hyaluronic Acid Bakuchiol Serum by Beauty Project. This is going to deeply hydrate and improve the appearance of uneven skin texture. You guys, I am in love with this company. I'm actually using their cleanser at the moment and love, love, love it. It looks a little something like this, and now I have a serum to go with my cleanser. What this company stands for is just really, really awesome. They're definitely giving back to Mother Earth, and I love that. On the side of the box here, it says Sustainability Pledge. In partnership with Repurpose Global, for every unit sold, 2 plastic units will be pulled out of landfills, waterways, and marine environments to be recycled and repurposed. This also has sustainable packaging and can be recycled. If every company gave back just a little bit like this, it would make the world such a better place. Next, we have the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Cheek Palette. And you guys, I love the packaging on this. So pretty. But wait until you see the actual component, you guys. This is so gorgeous. It's kind of raised. Love it. It is so beautiful. And opening it up, it looks a little something. Whoops, there goes the plastic sheet. Looks a little something like this. It is so pretty. Next, we have the High Definition Gel Liner from Lithy, and this is in the shade Coffee Bean. You guys, this liner, oh my gosh. So one end is a little brush, so you can really smudge out your liner, and then here is the product. And you guys, this goes on like butter. It is so soft and buttery. I just did a couple swipes, and it's so pigmented. Last but not least, in our Boxycharm box, we have the Buxom Plump Shot Sheer Tint Collagen Infused Lip Serum. And this is going to plump your lips, increase volume, and decrease those fine lines. This is in the shade Dolly Pop. And you guys, I am already in love and know that this is going to be a go-to product for me. So here's what the component looks like. Super cute. Kind of matches my nails. And I do have this on my lips right now. It is so pretty. And if you love a tingling sensation, then you are gonna love this. I feel like a lot of lip serums or lip plumping glosses are very sticky, and this is not like that whatsoever. It feels very plush and soft on the lips. And I love how it stays in place. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's BoxyCharm box. Loving all the products per usual. The BoxyCharm box is only $30 a month. You get 5 full-size products. Subscribers choose 3 products, and everything inside is worth up to $200. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another BoxyCharm box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.